Hey guys, this is Robbery Rob. So yeah, my sister's holding it, but sorry. Yep, like that. So we're just gonna start there in a small flavor. And basically the thing is you just run in and you just get the treasure. This way to get just like this. Yep. Yep. So you damn do it. How do I do this? Beep, 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 beep. So just run in, get the treasure. It's not mine.
That's very easy because no one's in there.
Yeah, like
All you have to do is run in. Just one thing.
Basically, I don't want to tell you this. I might spoil it on you. But I'll just tell it to you anyway. That was just easy. You just had to run in. No, that was just the first thing. Okay, so first, nobody home. And you have to get all these treasure.
Oh, that's a bit easy.
Well, I want to get 100% for my sister. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna end it until 5 minutes or so. I think we can do that. Alright, quickly, just hold it. Hold it.
Hold on a sec.
Don't hold it. Hold it. No. Need to hold it harder.
Holding it hard. Okay.
Dun 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 dun. Oh, and also to tell you, this is included, and it loads. So you can basically just do that. And then just go boom, boom, boom. Oh, whoopsies. I'm sorry, guys. So I need to hold it really hard. Like you're trying to do a poo. And you're holding on. What? Okay, then. And 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Wow. When you play Minecraft, Minecraft. Like basically every activity on YouTube with my friends, it's like basically a robbing activity. So yeah. Please. Oh damn. Crap. It doesn't matter. Next level. Boop. So it's sight to be seen. Now there are going to be people there, which this is our level, which she can't do. So this, well, that can just minimize it. That just zoomed it in, like zoom. Oh, anyway, it's like 5 minutes. Who cares? I don't care. Oh, whoa. Ah, no.
Oui.
Basically, I'm way better than Zara.
Demande si c'est pas le restaurant qui a l'autre marinade.
I'm better than Zara. I passed this level. Sneaking. Dang it. It doesn't matter. Okay, anyway, hope you enjoyed this episode. See you next